Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, All About Ash. Before we jump to today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. But in today's video, I will be installing this thin part unit. But you guys, the secret is I barely have any leave out with this look, and my hair looks like this and barely any leave out. But if you guys want to see how I got this look with barely any leave out, then just keep on watching. Okay, so as you guys can tell from the intro, we're going to be trying out this thin part unit. I was sent this thin part unit from Innovative Weaves, who is also sponsoring this video, so shout out to you guys. But they sent me their thin part wig. This is the style Kelsey. She is 189% density and 20 inches. I don't know if this is 20 inches. This kind of seems like more than 20 inches to me because this is very long, as you guys can tell. So I actually checked on their website what they described this texture as, and they said it is salon relaxed medium yaki. So I guess it's kind of made to mimic natural textured relaxed hair. Before we jump into this install, I kind of want to show you guys some specs about this unit, which I thought was really cool actually. So I've never heard of a thin part unit, but it's kind of just like a U part unit. But in some cases you don't have to have leave out at all, or you can just have a lot less leave out. So the way that the wig is made, it kind of looks like there's not a track or any wefts at the top where a normal U part would have. So it's kind of like the hair is growing out of your scalp, which makes it just super easy with blending and is a reason why you can use less leave out. Another thing about this unit is that it has a breathable cap, so I really do appreciate that, especially with this yaki texture, because it can get a little hot, especially if you're wearing it in the summertime, so breathable caps are always nice. So the unit does have 5 clips at the top where you would have leave out, or if you don't need any leave out, it's just going to be very secure up there. It has 2 clips on the side and 1 in the back, so this wig is going to be very secure. I'm actually really excited to put it on. Another thing I like about this unit with the ability to have no leave out or just a really small amount of leave out is that, you know, sometimes when you have a U part or even a sew-in, whatever it may be, and you have leave out, if the wind blows, people are going to see your track or your weft, whatever. So with this, if the wind blows, you're just going to kind of see this, which kind of looks like hair growing out your scalp. So it's really nothing to show. You don't really have to hide any tracks or anything. So I really do like that. And another perk about this unit is the fact that it just kind of mimics your scalp. I think it's going to be easy. I kind of want to dye this like a nice blonde. I don't know exactly what color. Highlights, blonde, chocolatey, brown, something like that. So the fact that I won't have to have much leave out, my actual hair can blend with the color very well. So yeah, I think that's enough talking about this wig. We can actually start installing it. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how much hair I would normally leave out for like a U part unit. And then I'm going to show you guys how much hair I'm actually going to leave out for this thin part unit. So don't mind my hair. I've just been having it in a low twisted bun throughout the week, and I've had some edge control on my edges. So that's why my hair is looking the way that it is, but that's not the focus of this video, so just ignore that. So with a normal U part unit, how much leave out would I leave out? I think about this much, honestly. Just gonna try to separate it. So that's like one side of leave out. And if you see like little white stuff, it's just my edge control. So like I said, just don't mind that. So this is about how much leave out I would have on the sides. Now let me get the back. Okay, so now I'm just gonna get this part out the way. Okay, so I'm just gonna get all this other hair out the way for a second. So with the normal leave out, I probably have, or I'm sorry, with the normal U part, this is probably how much leave out I would have just to fully blend over the track and just to have enough hair to blend with the actual unit. So this isn't a whole lot, but this is how much I would usually have out. But since I'm trying out a thin part unit today, I'm supposed to have, I guess, a lot less leave out than I would normally have for a U part unit, or in some cases no leave out at all. I think I could definitely get away with no leave out if it was a curly or more textured unit, but since I want to wear this straight, I'm gonna have a little bit of leave out. That's just what I'm comfortable with. So you guys can tell this is how much leave out I would normally have for a U-part unit, which still it's not a whole lot if you guys can see that. But now for this thin part unit, I'm gonna try to divide how much hair I'm actually gonna have out. And I'm gonna get a really, really thin part, or a thin piece of hair. So just gonna get this part straight. Okay, so this is how much hair I divided out, and I think I'm even gonna get a smaller amount than that, just a little bit. Okay, so you guys can see this is how much leave out I'm going to have out compared to how much I would normally have out for a U-part wig. So we're gonna see if I can actually use this as leave out, which I normally never would because it's literally like see-through. You guys can see that? So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and section off how much hair I actually want to leave out, and then I will come back once we are ready to install.
Every time I try to resist you, we can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with another day. All I wanna hear is in the dishes I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you way. We don't really want to, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
Okay, so I finished leaving out all the hair that I'm gonna have out for the leave out. And with all the rest of my hair, I just kind of put it in a ponytail, flipped it up, and I clipped everything up and away. So now I'm gonna take the unit and I'm gonna start in the back. I always like to start in the back just so the sides can be even, or as even as possible. So I'm gonna move my leave out up and out the way. And I'm gonna take the back clip and clip it as close to my leave out as possible. Then I'm just gonna work over to the sides, moving the leave out the way. Now I'm just going to move on to the other side and clip right by the leave out, and then the last clip. This is what my hair is looking like so far. This hair is definitely very thick, I will say that. So I'm just going to comb everything out. Okay, so we're definitely going to be needing a hot comb. I can already tell because everything's a little bit high right now. It's definitely looking a little bit wiggy. But as far as how my hair is blending, it looks really good so far. I definitely really do like this texture. Can you guys tell that it's kind of a natural texture? I feel like you can. So I really like that because it's just closer to my real texture. Because although I am relaxed, I do still have texture in my hair, so I'm really liking this unit so far. I feel like it's going to look so good once I finish straightening it and do my baby hairs and all that little extra stuff. But yeah, so far it's looking really good. So just another close-up of the roots. If you guys can see that. Looks pretty good. It doesn't look like my part is centered, but that's okay. My part's never really centered. Okay, so some perks about having less leave out is that for me, you don't have to straighten as much of your hair. So I'm kind of trying to straighten my hair or put heat on my hair once a month. So this will kind of be the second time I'm doing it this month, but I don't really mind because I have such a small amount of hair out. So I don't really feel like I'm damaging as much of my hair. Well, hopefully I'm not damaging it at all, but you guys know what I mean. I don't have to put as much heat on so much of my hair, but I can still get a really cute style. And then again, like I said, if I do end up dyeing this unit, I only have this much leave out. Can you guys see that? Like that's literally see-through. So this will be able to blend with whatever color or highlight or whatever I decide to make this hair, it will just blend so easily, especially when you just comb it out. It's like little streaks of brown. So if I decide to give this like a nice warm honey brown or like some nice blonde highlights, my hair would just effortlessly blend because it's just a couple strands sticking out. I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten the hair. I'm excited to see how this hair straightens because of the texture. I just feel like it's gonna look really good and really natural because it does have some texture. But yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do to it today because I've done curls, I've done crimps, so I think I'm going to just keep it straight and see how it looks. So today I will be using my Babyliss Pro Titanium Straightener, but since this is not my actual hair, I think I'm gonna put it on 410. Not that it necessarily needs to be that warm, it goes up to 450. But yeah, I'm just gonna put my straightener on 410. Again, it doesn't have to be bone straight because I do like the texture of it. It just looks really natural, especially once I flatten all this out, do my baby hairs a little bit. I feel like it's gonna look really good. I really do like this texture though, it just looks natural. But yeah, I'm gonna straighten it on 410 and see how it straightens, and then we will be back.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but you don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around. I want you around. I want you around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Thinking wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around. I want you around.
So yeah, I finished straightening my hair, and honestly you guys, I really really do like this hair. Honestly, I did not think I was gonna like it as much as I did. I mean, not saying I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I really like this. So I finished straightening my hair. I did the actual unit on 410, and then I did my leave out on 340. I really like how even though I straighten the hair, it still has some texture to it. I like when the units or clip-ins or extensions, whatever I wear, do have a little bit of texture to it, just because my relaxed hair does have some texture, so I just feel like it looks even more real. So now that my leave out is actually straightened, I'm going to show you guys just how much or how little leave out I have out. Can you guys see that? Like, it's literally see-through. So this right here is the unit. That's not my hair. So I'm going to pull up a little bit more so you guys can see. So this is how much leave out I have out. You guys, that is not a lot of leave out. With the U part, I would definitely have to have more leave out than this. So you can literally see through my leave out. So if the wind was to blow it over or whatever, this is what you would see. I feel like that looks so good. Like, I don't know why, but I'm so excited about that. But yeah, I just love how easy it was to blend my hair with everything. Like, I just feel like it looks so good. So now that I see what the hair looks like being straightened and just the little amount of leave out that I have, I'm definitely excited to get this dyed because as I showed you guys, I just have a little bit of leave out. So pretty much no matter what color or highlights I decide to do, as long as it kind of has brown roots that match my hair color, it's just gonna blend so well. So I don't know, comment down below what color you think would look good for this on me. I'm kind of thinking, I don't know, kind of warm, honey, blonde, that type of family. I don't know exactly what I want, but I just know that since I don't have to have a lot of leave out, it's going to blend so well. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished hairstyle. Again, this hair is from Innovative Weaves. I'll have all the details for this hair down below in the description box and the link to the hair. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and comment down below what you thought of this thin part unit. I've never heard of a thin part unit before, but honestly, I think I'm going to start leaning more towards those in the future rather than just a traditional U part. I mean, I don't know why it's like kind of amazing me the small amount of leave out that I actually have. Like, I think that's crazy. And also if I dye this, it's just gonna blend so well. Sorry, I just keep on thinking about how pretty it's gonna be once I dye it, like, I don't know, blonde, warm, brown, something like that. But yeah, comment down below what you guys thought, and if you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!